What's up, carpenters? It is a beautiful and kind of brisk day. So again, this is going to be a ride along. We'll do the rafter first. So as a ride along, this is the NOCTI task as it is. There's no theory, no explanation, no teaching involved. This is stuff you should already know, but this is just exactly how you would do it without all the other ancillary stuff. This is a higher level of understanding. You need a higher level of understanding to be able to follow along with this. But if you got that, let's go and we'll do it. So here we go. Okay, first task is a rafter. There's a Construction Master Pro rafter square, tape measure, pencil, and the directions. Okay, first things first. We're not that smart, so I'm gonna draw a picture. This is my rafter. This is what I'm going for right here. Okay, and then my steps are step 0. Draw it. Done that one already. Step 1, plumb cut. That's the ridge. Step 2 is the bird's mouth plumb cut. Step 3, bird's mouth seat cut. Step 4 is going to be the overhang fascia cut. Right, and that's going to be 2 lines. Step 5 is the overhang soffit. All right, here we go. Got a building, 11/6.5, 6-inch overhang, and a 5 pitch. So first things first, set up our square with our buttons. 512. Okay. Step 0, draw it. Step 1, plumb cut. So here's the plumb cut for the ridge, right at the beginning. Normally I'd cut this off and measure off of that. Next is my bird's mouth plumb cut, which is going to be down here, but I need to know my slope length for that. This is where I need my construction master. Slope is going to be, let's figure it out, 11 feet 6 inch 1/2 inch minus the ridge board 1 inch 1/2 equals 11.5 is my overall run without the ridge, divided in half for half the building, and that is my run. I have a 5-inch pitch and I need the diagonal, which is 6 foot 2 3/16. All right, so my slop or slope is going to be 6 foot 2 3/16. That's here to here. 6, 2 3/16. 6, 2 3/16 is right here. So I need my bird's mouth plumb cut. This line represents the outside of the building. Okay. That is step 1 done. Step 2 done. Bird's mouth seat cut. I want my bird's mouth seat cut to be 3.5 inches. Okay. So the line, the measurement where this line intersects my square here is, call it 7 3/4. So if I go 1/2 inch, 1.5 inches, 2.5, 3.5 is 11 1/4. I put 11 1/4 on my bird's mouth plumb cut. I level this over. This is 3.5 inches. Step 3 done. Step 4 is my overhang fascia, 2 lines. My overhang is 6 inches. So I use my square to measure off 6 inches. Mark the outside. Okay. And I'm going to use my tongue and I'm going to give 2 lines, the outside line and the inside line. This is my fascia board, 2x4 coming down the outside. 5, 4, that's 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch and a half. This line, leveled over, is my soffit cut. Cut line number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, save this, and number 1. Check my steps. Draw it, did it. Ridge plumb cut, done. Bird's mouth plumb cut, done. Seat cut, done. Overhang fascia, 2 lines, 1, 2. Overhang soffit comes down 3.5 inches and over. This is my rafter. All set. Here we go. Good job.